This call is now being recorded.
Okay, so we'll start with the 1.41. So from here, Patanjali is speaking about the different types of samapatti. Okay, so 1.41, you can note down if you're noting down. 1.41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. Till here, he explaining the Sabija Samadhi till 1.46. 1.41 to 1.46 is speaking about the Sabija Samadhi. 1.47 to the end of this pada, he speaks about the last highest Nirvichara Samapatti. Okay, so here he is saying Kshina Vrittehe. Did we finish this? Yeah, I think we finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so 1.42, 1.42 to 1.46, he is speaking about the different samapattis at the sabija level or samprajnata level. Then from there, he speaks about the asamprajnata samadhi. Okay, so in 1.42, he is saying, Tatra, acha, by the way, sir, how till where has he completed?
This sutra, when 42 was the last which we studied in the class.
Yeah, yesterday there was no class.
Day before yesterday.
Yeah. Okay. Tatra Shabdartha Jnana. I'm showing the English one because he has broken it properly. Tatra Shabdartha Jnana Vikalpaihi Sankirna Savitarka Samapattihi. So this is the definition of Savitarka Samapattihi. So you people have learned those, no? Savitarka, Nirvitarka, Savichara, Nirvichara. Have you learned? Any idea? Do you people remember or forgot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the lowest level is Savitarka. Okay, this one. Then next to that is Nirvitarka. Second level is Nirvitarka. Higher than that is Savichara. Higher than that is Nirvichara. It goes up. I'm pointing out with a mouse. I'm not able to kind of write it. So just note this is Savitarka, Nirvitarka, Savichara, Nirvichara. These are the levels. So here he is giving in a way a kind of definition for the Savitarka Samapatti. So what is happening here? Shabda, Artha, Jnana. Shabda, Artha. So Vikalpaihi. Where did you first hear this word before? Who can tell me?
Shabda Gnana Anupati.
5 vrittis.
Correct. So again, he is bringing that same Vikalpa word. So here he is saying everything is intermingled. Sankirna, everything is intermingled. We are not able to differentiate. That is the Savitarka Samapatti. Then he is speaking about the Savitarka. Now he is giving definition for the Nirvitarka. This will be little confusing initially when you are learning. So vitarka means tark karna, arguments. Okay, so you remember like that. So somebody is arguing with you, somebody is making lot of discussions. Do we consider them as high level people or low level people? ऐसे बात पे झगड़ा करते हैं ना, low level. So you remember like that. Savitarka. Then little higher than that Nirvitarka. So low to slowly high ja rahe. So what happens here? Smriti parishuddhau swarupa shunyeva ardha matra nirbhasa Nirvitarka. So now the memory is gone. Smriti parishuddha, shuddh ho gaya. So whatever memory we had about something, wo shuddh ho gaya. There is no swarupa. Okay, only Ardha. For example, if you take Lord Krishna, At this level, what we will do, name is Krishna. Ardha can be something like he helps whoever is needy. Jnana is something, a character from Mahabharata is God, something we will connect. Here what happens, we will, everything Spriti about him goes off. Swarupa, his leg is crossed, he's playing a flute, all that Swarupa is gone. Swarupa Shunyama, Smriti also, all the information that we got from our scriptures or from our elders, everything gone. Now Ardha Matra, you will find your own Ardha for Lord Krishna. That is Nirvitarka. Okay, you no longer need anybody's this thing to have information about certain thing. You yourself will find the Ardha. Okay, then Etayaiva savichara nirvichara. So in this 1.44, he is giving the definition for both savichara and nirvichara. Vichara means kahan par hota hai, at what level do you think vichara? You will tell, no, if somebody asks, will you come tomorrow? You'll say, nahi, I'm thinking, main vichar kar rahi hu, aau ki nahi aau. Isn't it? Do you people agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So remember this. So vichar karna, nirvichar. So at a higher level. So savitarka, nirvitarka, savichara, nirvichara. So here what he is saying is, he is giving a definition where he is saying here very subtle thoughts will be there. Very subtle thoughts. At this level, there is no thought also. In meditation, you will go to such a subtler level. There are no thoughts also. That is the definition of savichara nirvichara samadhi in 1.44. Okay. Then 1.45 he is saying Sukshma Vishayatvam cha Alinga Paryavasanam. Sukshma Vishayatvam cha Alinga Paryavasanam. So till where this subtleness goes? Acha, were you explained about this Vishesha, Avishesha, Linga Matra, Alingani? That chart is over for all of you. Prakriti, Purusha evolutes. Done or not done?
Yes, ma'am.
So Alinga is where it comes is
just explained about that 25 elements, till that it is completed, ma'am.
correct.
Only for 25 elements, not more than that.
Yeah, it is that only I'm speaking about. 1 second, I will tell you properly. Just clear revision for all of you. So at the lower level, there are 16 Visheshas. Anybody has written notes? Can you quickly refer and tell what are these 16 Visheshas? Anybody remembers, or can you just flip your notes and tell me?
Visheshas, ma'am, that Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, those
Correct.
we're talking about.
Correct. 5 Jnanendriya, 5 Karmendriya, and 1
Tanmatras.
Manas. 1 Manas. कितना हुआ 11. यहाँ पर 5 Bhutas. Bhutas.
5 matras.
These are the Visheshas. Okay. The next level are 6 Avisheshas. What do they come here? अभी किसी ने बोला था ना, वो यहाँ पर आएगा. Avishesha. Tanmatra 5 plus 1 is there. What is that?
Ahankara.
Ahankara.
Ahankara. हो गया? Okay. Ahankara. This table in sleep also, if somebody wakes and asks you, you have to tell, you have to by heart. So here comes the Linga Matra. At the Linga Matra level, what will come? At the Linga Matra level, Mahat or Buddhi. Okay, Mahat or Buddhi comes here. So whenever they say Vishesha, Avishesha, Linga Matra, Alingani. The highest is the Alinga. Alinga is what? Prakriti. Okay. So this you have to remember this table, I think.
So this is divided into three parts: Vishesha, Avishesha, and
Vishesha,
Linga.
Linga
And
Matra, Alinga. ठीक है? I think the
We
most
have not
horrible.
done this way, ma'am. Sir, I just roughly explained the chart so that we can learn the terms in the sutras only. I think in detail he will explain when we'll come to Sankhya.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, I'll check if I have a soft copy. I will forward all of you. Okay. So this sutra
This
is
chart is
very.
explained, ma'am. But
Huh?
the terms, this chart has been explained, but the terms linga, vishesha, avishesha, linga, lingamatra, these terms are not used at the time.
No problem. You will,
Okay.
I think it will keep repeating, but otherwise I have now explained, no? So please
Yes, yes.
write it down.
Done it, ma'am.
I will send a picture that I have, okay, in the group.
Okay.
Now you have created new group, no?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, please.
So from
Mhm.
here, from 1.42 till here, he is saying, what are all these? Ta eva sabija samadhi. These are all four kinds of with thought, beyond thought, reflective, reflection free are all sabija samadhi. Okay. So now we'll do some chanting before we go to the next level. Ka. Okay, these little, even as teachers, sometimes we kind of tend to confuse because these words are so similar. You need to have that presence of mind. So they say, no, yoga is all about staying in the present moment. When we are talking, we have to be so with the presence of mind. Okay, now I'll go with, I think today we have Sandeep and Sindhu together. So Sandeep, can you go ahead with the chanting of 1.42? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tatra Shabdartha.
Tatra Shabdhartha. Tatra Shabdhartha.
Jnana Vikalpaihi.
Jnana Vikalpaihi. Jnana Vikalpaihi.
Sankirna.
Sankirna. Sankirna.
Savitarka.
Savitarka. Savitarka.
Samapattihi.
Samapattihi. Samapattihi.
So this is definition of which kind of samadhi?
Savitarka Samadhi.
Correct. Samapattihi, samadhi, they are used like interchangeably, okay? So, tatra shabdartha jnana vikalpaihi sankirna savitarka samapattihi.
Tatra Shabdhartha Jnana Vikalpaihi Sankirna Savitarka Samapattihi.
One more time.
Tatra Shabdhartha Jnana Vikalpaihi Sankirna Savitarka Samapattihi.
Very good. Others stay on the mute. Oh, sorry. Others stay on the mute and keep chanting, okay? Okay. Next, Sindhu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Smriti Parishuddhau.
Smriti Parishuddhau. Smriti Parishuddhau.
Swarupa Shunyeva.
Swarupa Sunyeva. Swarupa Sunyeva.
Ardhamatra Nirbhasa.
Ardhamatra Nirbhasha. Ardhamatra Nirbhasha.
It is Saraswati wala sa, so it is not sha, it is sa.
Nirbhasha.
Nirbhasa.
Nirbhasha.
Sa.
Nirbhasa.
One more time. Ardhamatra Nirbhasa.
Ardhamatra Nirbhasa.
Hmm.
Ardhamatra Nirbhasa.
Correct. So we won't say Saraswati, no, we'll say Saraswati.
Saraswati.
है ना? वैसे ही हम लोग like we won't say, if we want to say shame, we won't say same because the
Same.
meaning will change like that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Nirvitarka.
Nirvitarka. Nirvitarka.
So 1.43 is definition of which kind of samadhi or samapatti?
Nirvitarka.
Very good. We'll try the whole sutra. Smriti parishuddhau swarupa shunyeva ardhamatra nirbhasa nirvitarka.
Smruti parisuddhau swarupasunyeva ardhamatra nirbhasa nirvitarka. Smruti parisuddhau swarupasunyeva ardhamatra nirbhasa nirvitarka.
Very good. Next, Namita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Etayaiva.
Etayaiva. Etayaiva.
Savichara.
Savichara. Savichara.
Nirvichara cha.
Nirvichara cha. Nirvichara cha.
Sukshma vishaya vyakhyata.
Shukshma vishaya vyakhyata. Shukshma vishaya vyakhyata.
Etayaiva savichara nirvichara cha sukshma vishaya vyakhyata.
Etayaiva savichara nirvichara cha shukshma vishaya vyakhyata. Etayaiva savichara nirvichara cha shukshma vishaya vyakhyata.
Very good, Namita. So this is very important sutra. Okay, you can mark like this. So they may ask, so how you will be remember? I remember like this. Both savichara like 4, 4. Same number is there. No, so 2 samapattis explained in 1.44. Like that you can remember. Savichara, nirvichara, both covered. 4, 4. 1.44. Very important. You have to remember. Okay. Thank you, Namita. Anamika.
Yes, ma'am.
Sukshma Vishayatvan. So when this is followed by cha, the rule in Sanskrit is this becomes na. Vishayatvan cha. It is not Vishayatvam. It becomes na. Sukshma Vishayatvan.
Sukshma Vishayatvan. Sukshma Vishayatvan.
Chalinga.
Chalingya.
Actually, one second.
Chalingya.
We'll break here. Okay, we'll break here and say the alinga separately. Okay. Sukshma Vishayatvancha.
Sukshma Vishayatvancha. Sukshma Vishayatvancha.
Alinga Paryavasanam.
Alingya Pariyabasanam. Alingya Pariyabasanam.
Vasa. Vasa. It is vasa nahi hai. Vasa. Just try
Vasa.
again. Vasa.
Alingya Pariyabasanam.
You are saying vasanam. No, it is vasanam. आपको हिंदी बेटर है इंग्लिश बेटर है अनामिका?
दोनों कंफर्टेबल हैं.
देख लो यहाँ पर देखो वा के बाद देर इज नो स्टैंडिंग लाइन सो इट इज वसानम.
Vasanam. Vasanam.
हाँ यू आर सेइंग वासनम. वासनम तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? ये लेके यहाँ डाल रहे हो. वासनम नहीं, इट इज वसानम. जस्ट ट्राई.
Vasanam. Alingya Pariyabasanam. Alingya Pariyabasanam.
You can do one thing. Paryava सानम, ऐसा ट्राई करो,
पर्यवसानम,
नहीं, से
पर्यम्बासनम,
don't say the whole thing,
पर्यव
सानम,
पर्यवसानम,
सानम.
पर्यवसानम,
Now mix and try.
पर्यवसानम, पर्यवसानम.
Yeah, now you got it. Sukshma Vishayatvancha Alinga Paryavasanam.
सूक्ष्म विषयत्वं च आलिङ्ग्य पर्यभाषणम्.
Again, you are saying Vasanam. No problem. Try one more time.
सूक्ष्म विषयत्वं च आलिङ्ग्य पर्यभाषणम्.
Vasanam.
भासानं पर्यभाषणम्. पर्यभाषणम्.
Okay, no problem. So when we are chanting, no, if we are in tension, we don't understand the mistake. Are others able to understand where the mistake is happening?
Ma'am, it is Paryavasanam.
Paryavasan.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. This Alingan or Alingam you are saying?
Alinga, Alinga Paryavasanam. Alingam नहीं है यहाँ पर, लेकिन यहाँ है, देखो, हाँ, सी देखो, यहाँ this a के ऊपर डॉट है ना, तो इस च का a प्लस अलिंग का a दोनों मिला के we have to say सूक्ष्म विषयत्वंच. Alinga is mixed there. So what you have to do in Hindi also, see, cha is there, एक standing line है. Sukshma vishayatvancha linga paryavasanam, so cha we have to say. Otherwise you can break. Sukshma vishayatvancha alinga paryavasanam, like that also you can say. If you are saying together, you have to sit on cha for a second or two. सूक्ष्म विषयत्वंचा लिंग पर्यवसानम, ऐसा. ओके
ओके मैम.
च का a प्लस आलिंग का a दोनों मिला के we have to sit on that for 2 seconds. Okay. Now we have Shovan. Are you there, Shovan? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is this, the I don't know if you joined when I was explaining. Shovan, can you tell me what is he trying to tell here?
मैडम, यहाँ पे सभी च समाधि का बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं.
Very good. Ta eva. 2 times. Ta eva. Sabija samadhihi.
Savija samadhihi. Savija samadhihi.
So he's telling till here the 4 what I discussed, these all come under the Sabija Samadhi, where you have an object. Ta eva sabija samadhihi.
Ta eva savija samadhihi. Ta eva savija samadhihi.
Very good, Shovan. Okay. Now from here,
Thank you,
please categorize. Now, categorize this. From here starts the Nirvichara Vaisharadhya, highest form of Samapattihi, 1.472 till the end of this first pada. It is about Nirvichara Samadhi or Samapattihi. Okay, yahan par like write it on the top. So, what is he saying here? Nirvichara Vaisharadhya Adhyatma. Here also you have to add this symbol is there, no? It indicates Adhyatma Prasadaha. So now what happens when there are no thoughts? Only then you will have enlightenment. So in this state you will have Sharada. Sharada means, remember, Saraswati, goddess Saraswati. So you will get enlightenment, you will get knowledge. Remember like that, 1.47. Then Ritambara tatra prajna. So knowledge gained in such state is true, where you yourself connected to the true knowledge. That knowledge is like prasadam. Okay. Ritambara tatra prajna means knowledge that you gain when you reach the level of nirvichara samadhi. Shrutanumana prajnabhyam anya vishaya visheshardatvat. So from here, new knowledge emerges in this state. Okay, there is, so all that we heard, we learned from the books, all that is gone. Now for example, I want to know about a computer. Till now, I joined some institute. They tell me computer is like this. It has a monitor. It has a keyboard. There is a mouse you work with. Like that, they will tell everything. Okay, when I reach the nirvichara level, I will only understand what is there in the computer. No one need to tell me. I want to understand a pen. I focus on that. I will understand what all is there in the pen. Like that, where will we use this knowledge? To understand the higher self, not to understand computer or pen, but to understand the higher level. Shrutanumana prajnabhyam anya vishaya visheshartha. What has been heard, what has been referred, whatever has been told will all be gone. Now we are able to differentiate, use our own discernment, or we can use our own knowledge. Then what happens? Tajja samskaro anya samskara pratibandhi. Now what will happen? All the old and negative samskara that was being carried by us, pratibandhi, will be binded, will be controlled. They cannot now penetrate or creep into us. All the old samskara gone, new samskara develops. Okay. Tasyapi nirodhe sarva nirodhan nirbija samadhi. Is giving definition of nirbija samadhi. Here he is saying, in this at this level, drop your sattva also. So till here sattva was there, that also gets dropped. The cycle of birth and death ends, and then you reach the seedless state, or where nirbija, seedless state, where everything is like gone, gunatita, whatever you can tell. Okay, so thus we come to the end of the chapter 1. So we have to do the chanting from here. Yeah. Can I have Jyoti?
Yes, ma'am.
Nirvichara Vaisharadye. Is it too big for you?
Ma'am?
Is it too big for you?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Nirvichara Vaisharadye. Nirvichara Vaisharadye.
Adhyatma Prasadaha.
Adhyatma Prasadaha. Adhyatma Prasadaha.
If you add one A here, it will come nicely. That's why I'm adding Nirvichara Vaisharadye Adhyatma Prasadaha.
Nirvichara Vaisharadye Adhyatma Prasadaha. Nirvichara Vaisharadye Adhyatma Prasadaha.
Very good. Sandeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritambara Tatra Prajna.
Ritambara tatra prajna. Ritambara tatra prajna.
Is truth, true knowledge. Okay, truth. Okay, next is Sindhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Shrutanumana.
Shrutanumana. Shrutanumana.
Where did you hear this word Anumana before?
Pratyaksha Anumana Agama Pramanani.
Correct. So, Shruta, whatever you heard, whatever inference, Prajnabhyam.
Prajnabhyam. Prajnabhyam.
Anya Vishaya.
Anya Vishaya. Anya Vishaya.
So here Vishesha, you see, one is this sha, this one, another is retroflex. Vishesharthatvat.
Vishesharthatvat. Vishesharthatvat.
This A indicates this line Sha. You have to sit on that A. I'll try the whole sutra. You also try. Shrutanumana pregnabhyam anya vishaya vishesharthatvat.
Shrutanumana pregnabhyam anya vishaya vishesharthatvat. Shrutanumana pregnabhyam anya vishaya vishesharthatvat.
Very good. Namita.
Yes, ma'am.
Tajja samskaro.
Tajya samskaro. Tajya samskaro.
So here also we can put a anya samskara pratibandhi.
Anya samskar pratibandhi. Anya samskar pratibandhi.
Tajja samskaro anya samskara pratibandhi.
Tajya samskaro anya samskar pratibandhi. Tajya samskaro anya samskar pratibandhi.
Good. Anamika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tasyapi nirodhe.
Tassapi nirodhe. Tassapi nirodhe.
Sarva nirodhan.
Sarva nirodhan. Sarva nirodhan.
Nirbija samadhihi.
Nirvija samadhihi.
So here you have to see sit ma. Nirbija samadhihi.
Nirvija samadhihi.
Bija, bija.
Nirvija samadhihi.
Correct.
Nirvija samadhihi.
Tasyapi nirodhe sarva nirodhan nirbija samadhihi.
Tassapi nirodhe sarva nirodhan nirvija samadhihi. Tassapi nirodhe sarva nirodhan nirvija samadhihi.
Okay. Shovan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last line, this one please write down. All of you, I'll make Shovan chant. Iti, there is no description of this. I can't write here. So one of you note down and post it in the group. Iti.
Iti. Iti.
Patanjali. Yeah, sorry. Patanjali virachite.
Patanjali virachite. Patanjali virachite.
Pradhama adhyaya.
Prathama adhyaya. Prathama adhyaya.
Samaptaha.
Samapraha. Samapraha.
Very good. So in the beginning we have to say Atha Samadhi Padaha. In the ending we have to say Iti Patanjali Virachite Pradhama Adhyaya Samaptaha. There we are saying beginning, now we are saying ending. Okay. That one of you can send it in the group so that others can know down. Okay. So what we will do is, I will make you all revise this. So I'm on a break next week. All of you thoroughly study the chapter 1. I will make you chant the all sutras like a revision. Now I'm going to conduct a small test for all of you. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
actually, I could have chanted the whole chapter. You on mute me doing it, but I just want to quickly do at least some questions today with regard to the chapter 1. And
Okay, ma'am.
next class, whenever we have, I will quickly run through the all sutras chanting. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me see how much you people have grasped in what I have explained and what sir has explained. I'll start with Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Jyoti, can you unmute and answer the first question, ma? Read out the question and tell the answer.
The total number of sutras in Samadhi Pada are 51, ma'am. Third one.
Read the options also, then read
Option number third. 51, ma'am.
If you read all the options, then sabko yaad rahega, like 55, 34.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Can I
you. Thank you. Yeah, and it's okay, 51. So the first chapter has how many sutras? Just now we completed 51. Okay. Now, Shovan, read the question and take some time, answer it peacefully.
Arrange in proper order.
First read what has been given, then tell the correct order.
1 Vibhuti Pada, 2 Samadhi Pada, 3 Sadhana Pada, 4 Kaivalya Pada.
It's okay to
Samadhi
make
Pada.
mistakes. Okay. So what is the order? What is the order? Is this the order of the padas? Tell me the proper order. 4 chapters का order बताइए. गलत होगा तो भी चलेगा, ठीक है? We are just learning. All of us are learning here. Try.
Samadhi Pada.
ठीक है. 2. Then
Vibhuti Pada.
second chapter का नाम क्या होगा?
Vibhuti.
Okay. Second is Vibhuti.
नहीं मैम, साधना. Second is sadhana.
Very good.
Third is Vibhuti and last Kaivalya.
Okay, very good. Okay, so same mistake we will do in exam also. So डर के मारे what we will do, we will see and then get confused. 2, 3, 1 and 4. 4 is gone. Huh? Okay, I'll type it later, no problem. Okay, Anamika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the questions, read the options, then try to answer.
Which of these is not the prana sutra number?
Can you read the whole question loudly? Third question.
Anumana, number C.
नहीं पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ो ना सबको.
Which of these is not the pramana sutra number? Pratyaksha, viparyaya, anumana, agama. Anumana.
Okay. So Anumana is not a pramana, is it? I'm misguiding you the way UGC people do, and you got carried away. Read the question properly. And I also want this sutra number.
Pratyaksha, number A.
So Pratyaksha is not a pramana. Can you read the options, Namika, peacefully? Can you read them loudly?
Which of these is not the pramana sutra number?
So पहले इसमें से कौन सा प्रमाण है, प्रमाण नहीं है? हाँ, this is important. You should always read properly. Which is not a pramana.
Viparya नहीं है.
See, now you got it. Now, where is the sutra where you get all these names? Do you remember? Anybody willing to chant that sutra? Anybody else
Yes, ma'am.
who is ready?
Agama Pramanani.
Yes, Jyoti.
Ma'am.
Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Pratyakshānumāna gamaha
Pratyaksha
pramanani.
Agama
Pratyakshānumāna.
Pramanani. What is the sutra number?
Sutra number is 7, madam.
Very good. Okay. Now, we will move to Namita.
Yes, ma'am.
Namita, read the question loudly, tell the answer, then tell the sutra number.
What causes klishta or aklishta? And sutra number options are
No need to
klishta.
tell the sutra number now. Read the options first.
Fifth sutra, ma'am. Vrittaya panchataya klishta klishta.
Okay, okay. 1.5. Okay, now tell the answer.
Answer is
Read the options. Read the options, please. Read the options.
Kleshas, avidya, vrittis, antarayas, sahabhuvas. So here answer would be vrittis.
Very good. Panchatayyaha,
Klishta,
Vrittayaha, Panchatayyaha, Klishta, Aklishta. Sutra number 1.5. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now I'll move to Sindhu first. Sindhu, read the question, then read the options. Once you answer, tell the sutra number.
Arrange in the right order. Sutra number. Options Nidra, Smriti, Viparyaya, Vikalpa, Pramana. Sutra is Pramana, Vikalpa, Viparyaya, Nidra, Smriti. Sutra number 6.
So in this option, can you tell me what number, what is the order, how you will answer?
5, ma'am.
Here, can you tell me which comes first, which comes second? Tell me the.
Oh, like that. Okay, ma'am. First 5. Next
Okay.
3.
Okay.
Next 4.
Okay.
Next 1. Last 2.
Is the last one too?
Yes, ma'am. Pramana, Viparya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smriti.
Very good. Just confusing you. Okay. Next. Sandeep. So what was sutra you told, right? Sutra you told, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1.6. Yeah. Read the question, read the options, again give the correct answer, then tell the sutra number.
Who is considered as a Sarvagna Bijam? Sutra number. Prakruti, Purusha, Ishvara, Avidya.
Who is considered as Sarvagna Bijam?
Purusha. Purusha. Okay.
You fell in the trap I put. Very good.
Sorry, 1 minute.
Read the options again.
Prakruti, Purusha, Ishvara, Avidya.
Who is the seed of all knowledge?
Ishvara.
Then how Purusha will come?
Yes.
Okay, here in this context, it is Ishvara. According to Sutra, we will go always according to Sutra. Now, Ishvara Sutras are 1.23 to 1.29. उसमें इसका नंबर कौन सा है?
It is, I think it is as per Tatra Nirashityam Sarvagna Bijam. It's 25.
Very good. Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
You said something about this one.
Which one?
We don't go about Ishvara is the Sarva. Ishvara is the, as you said, but from the Loka we will go. That's what you are saying. Like
according to the Sutra, we will go. According to Sutra, Sarvagna Bijam is Ishvara. We will not apply our knowledge. We will not say
Okay.
Purusha. Purusha may be there with all whatever, but here, according to Patanjali Sutras, from here 1.23 to 1.28 or 29, what is he is mentioning about Ishvara. Ishvara is the
Okay.
Sarvagna Bijam. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Namita,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the
Which
question, read the options, then answer.
one of these are not mentioned by Patanjali for the type of sadhaka? And Sutra number Mridyu Moha Purvaka Madhya Adimatra. So option number 2 would be here, Moha Purva. Other 3 are the sadhaka, Mridyu Madhya Adimatra Tattvat Api something Sutra was there.
Tatopi Visheshaha. Very good. Very good.
Tatopi
Any guess on
Visheshaha.
the Sutra number? Any guess on the
I
Sutra?
think it is 21 or 22 before Ishvara, ma'am.
Correct. It's 22. Very good.
22. Now I am looking at the book. It is 22.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Anamika, can you read the question, read the options, then tell the answer? Then last we will look at the Sutra number.
Arrange in order Sutranam. Alabdha Bhumikatvani.
Samshaya, Avirati, Vyadhi. Put it in an order according to the Sutra. I have removed some antarayas. I have given some. This is how the UGC NET asks. So, जो भी मिला है उसको कैसे order में डाल सकते हो देख लो. So, simple. How does the Sutra start with what word?
व्याधिस्त्यान संशय प्रमाद आलस्य अविरति भ्रांति दर्शन अलब्ध भूमिकत्व अनवस्थितानि चित्त विक्षेपा ते अंतरायः.
अब इसमें बोलो. Now tell the order from here.
संशय number 2.
First 2, okay.
आलस्य
Is there alasya here?
अविरति number 4.
Okay, number 2, then 3.
अलब्ध भूमिकत्वानि.
Okay, 1. 2, 3, 1.
व्याधि number 1. संशय number 2.
Okay.
Alasya number 3.
Alasya is not here, so you'll skip it. Next.
Avirati number 3.
Very good.
Alabdha Bhumikatvani number 4.
Very good. So he might next time change something else. Not exactly this. He will give Sthana, he will give Bharanti Darshana, then he will give Anavastitatvani, something like that. By any chance, can you recollect the Sutra number?
1.30.
Very great. Okay. Shovan?
Yes, ma'am.
Shovan, I hope you are following the recordings. Are you ready to answer the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, इसको मैच करो. Others, take a pen and paper. In the meantime, do the answer by yourself. I have not given options. You have to do it by yourself. On the left side, you have Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshana. On the right side, you have Apunya, Sukha, Dukha, Punya. Please match. Shovan, you आप भी एक paper pen ले लो and write it and then answer me. No hurry. And then tell me the Sutra number also and the tool number. Please take your own time. No problem. 1 is to A, B, 2 is to C, like that you have to match. If possible, don't look at your notes. Even if you make mistake, no problem. Even only if we make mistake, we'll remember.
Ma'am, A for Maitri Sukha.
Very good.
Karuna is Dukha. Mudita is Punya.
Very good.
and last one is Apunya.
Okay. So ये सूत्र number कितना है? Do you remember by any chance?
Sutra number, madam, 33.
33. So these are the tools that Patanjali has given us for Chitta Prasadanam. So ये tool number कितना है? Is it the first one, second one, third one, fourth one? Anyone else wants to help Shovan?
1.33.
I think it's second, ma'am.
Second. 1.32 is a tat pratishedhartham ekatattva abhyasah. Tool number 2 is Maitri Karo. Okay. This is tool number 2. This is the order. Very good. We will do up to 10th question and then stop for today. I'll ask rest of the question next class. Shovan ho gaya. Jyoti, please read the question and try the answer. Just now we did this sutra. Just try. I thought sir also explained you. If you don't get it, we will stop. Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am. When there is a still presence and mingling of Shabda, Artha, Jnana, that is dash Samapatti, and Sutra number.
Just now we did. I don't know if you people will be able to answer, but just try.
Option A, Savichara. Option B, Nirvichara. Option C, Savitarka. Option D, Nirvitarka, ma'am.
This is that, remember I told a very basic level where we'll do arguments. We'll say Krishna, it looks like this. Krishna is blue color. No, Krishna is black color. Very basic level argument. Very beginning level where we have Shabda, Artha, Jnana. Everyone will have their own meaning. Everyone will have somebody will call him Keshava, someone will call him Krishna, someone will call him, what is the other name for Krishna? Any other name? What else? Keshava, Krishna, what else? Govinda. Huh? Madhava. So Artha, somebody will. Huh?
Panduranga.
Panduranga, whatever. Everyone will have their own understanding. They'll say, no, this is not the name, this is the name. Then they have their own Artha. Somebody will connect to Balakrishna, small, who eats the butter and all. Somebody will connect to the youth Krishna who danced on Kali Mardanam he did. Jnana, everyone, somebody's grandmother would have given him some jnana about Krishna. They would have learned some comics and they would have some knowledge about Krishna. All that is intermingled where in Savitarka. Okay. Okay, Sutra number?
Sutra number 42, ma'am.
Today only we did.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have many more questions. This we will do next class. Also, next class, I want all of you to please stop sharing. Okay. So today we couldn't do the complete text of sutras. So please go through the recording or learn by yourself. We will do all the sutras next class. So roughly, remember we did like 1.23 to 29 is Ishvara. That like that we will do. We will also do the whole Samadhipada, 5 slokas and sutras each of you. We will do the chanting. Also, we'll complete the rest of the questions that have prepared on the Samadhipada chapter. Okay. So take this 1 week to become thorough with the chanting of the Samadhipada. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I send the recording of all the sutras 1 to 51 audio?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do
When
that.
will be the next class, ma'am?
Next class, actually from tomorrow till next Thursday, I'm traveling. So mostly after coming back, it doesn't make sense doing one class. So we will reconnect. Give me a while. I'll just check the calendar. I'll stop the recording by the way.
Next to next Monday, ma'am.